Welcome everyone. Today, you'll learn how to enable the new compact density feature on Google Chat using your PC. This recent update makes your chat layout cleaner, tighter, and easier to navigate, especially if you prefer a more minimal design. Let's dive right into it. First, open your browser and go to google.com. Make sure you're signed into your Google account. At the top right corner of the page, you'll see your profile picture. Right next to it, there's a small square grid made up of 9 dots. That's the Google Apps menu. Click on those 9 dots and a panel will appear showing all of Google's services. Scroll or look through the list until you find Chat. Once you spot it, click the chat icon to open Google Chat on your PC. Now that you're inside Google Chat, look toward the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice a small gear icon that's the Settings button. Click on it to access Chat's settings. From here, a quick settings menu will open, and you'll see several options. Find the section labeled Appearance. This is where you can manage how your chats look and feel. Under Appearance, you'll see 2 layout options: Comfortable and Compact. Comfortable gives you a more spaced out look. Perfect if you like a roomy layout. But if you want to see more messages at once, Compact is the way to go. Click on Compact to activate it. As soon as you select Compact, Google Chat will automatically adjust the layout. The message bubbles will shrink slightly, spacing will tighten, and the chat list will fit more lines on the screen, all without affecting readability. It's a great option if you prefer efficiency and want to minimize scrolling, especially during busy workdays. And that's it. You've successfully enabled compact density in Google Chat on your PC. It's a simple change, but it makes a big difference in how you manage your conversations. If you ever want to switch back, just follow the same steps and choose Comfortable instead.